2 bream in the bucket within 30 minutes of fishing. And we're fishing out at the harbour. Fishing out in the harbour, and I think I've got a pull on the other rod. See if he's going to pull again. Yeah. This is what we call a snapper. A juvenile one. Not bad. Yeah.
Here we go. We've hooked on something suspiciously big.
Pulled in fucking hard.
Pulled hard. Right under the harbour.
It might be a big bream. Big snapper, I don't know. You never know what it might be. Make sure I don't lose it.
Winding in slow.
Oh, look at that.
There we go. That's beautiful.
Nice barbecue. See, Tony? Look, snapper. Come with me. Catch fish. Ryan's got onto himself to a snapper. Look at, he swallowed it, bro. Happy chap?
Happy chap. 1 second.
Oh.
Lots of activity on the harbour. And a bit of fishing activity on the shore. What have we got?
Small one.
Small one.
A little bigger.
Show us. Nice, fresh.
It was a tad bigger,
snapper.
Yeah, he'll come home.
He's going back to collect more dioxins and hydrocarbons and all the rest of it.
Catch of the day. 3 snapper and 2 bream, and ignore the little potty mullet. That was caught at Narrabeen. Yeah.